Albatross. It is a large bird that can go years without landing. They spend their first 6 years of life flying over the ocean without even touching the ground. The dictionary meaning of albatross is something that causes persistent deep concern or anxiety. I now belong to the higher cult of mortals, for I have seen the albatross. Tradition is the albatross around the neck of progress. Our mind is a limitless sky, and we can only be an albatross, flying in the vast expanse to occasionally discover the joys of sublimity. View the past as your enemy, and it will be an albatross. View it as your friend, and it will give you wings. There comes a point when milestones can become millstones. And ambitions, albatrosses around our necks. Like the albatross, fly around the world without stopping.
Tarde o temprano te vas a dar cuenta de todo lo que perdiste. Tú no sentiste lo que yo sentí por ti, no viste, no cumpliste.